Alright guys, so today we're going to wash my car for the first time since I put the ceramic coating on. See how it does, and today we'll be using the Adams Polishes Megafoam with the spray foam Canon and see how it does. I've used it before. It coats the car really well. Just want to see how it comes off, how the bugs come off. I need to get some bug cleaner that my lady that put the ceramic coating on that she recommended, and so I have not ordered that yet since we're in a quarantine. Amazon's not delivering so fast, so I'm putting that off. But once I get done with this, there's another gentleman, I can't remember your whole channel name, Pan, but he was recommending to try turtle wax. I'm gonna try this in the foam Canon, see how it works. It's pH neutral or pH balanced, and it's supposed to do a good job too, so let's see how it does. Love the shine of the ceramic coating and can't be grateful enough. Let's see how it does on cleaning though. Stay tuned. Alright, so we will see how the sun's going to cooperate with us. I'm trying to get out of the direct sunlight real quick. We'll wash it off real quick and then apply the foam. Using my Sun Joe pressure washer here. Alright, for my mixture I'm using 1 ounce to 8 ounces. So 1 ounce of the Megafoam to 8 ounces of water. For me, 3 ounces of the Megafoam to 24 ounces of water is the best is the best quantity for me to coat the whole car in one use. So get that going. As you can see, it's just coming right off the car because of the ceramic coating. It's dripping off. Let it sit a minute, and we will rinse it off. Alright, go ahead and now let's get the trusty leaf blower out. See how this works. I haven't bought the little air one yet. Only spot I had was there's some soap still left over around the hood insert. tell you, for the first time washing it, I'm really impressed. No scrubbing. Of course, I do have some bugs. Like I said, I need to get some bug cleaner that she recommended, but I have not ordered it yet. So I do have some stuff right here that I'll have to take care of. But overall, the car looks amazing. Take this off. The only issue I have, besides inside the door, is right here. As you can see, there's still some foam down in there, and it gets in this little crease right here, all along the car, or along this little hood insert, and that's where it dried up. The foam tried to dry up on the hood as I was spraying it, so I washed it off real quick. But other than that, I think it did a very nice job. Rims, of course, they're ceramic coated too. I had the wheels, the calipers, both ceramic coated. Down here, the kick panel down there, she's put the plastic wrap on it. But yeah, everything else, man, such a nice job all the way around, smooth. I do have some here that I'll have to get, but for a no-touch wash, I mean, you really can't ask for anything better. So I'm very satisfied. I'm very pleased with the turnout. Not too long, a few minutes. Let me mount this back and talk to you real quick. Alright, again, I'd like to first off thank Perfection Corrections for the ceramic coating out of Tyler, Texas. You can look them up. I'll put a link down below. Again, the Sun Joe pressure washer did real good. You heard it cut out a few times if you listen to my GoPro, or if I even include that footage, but does a good job. It's reasonably priced on Amazon. Some of these things I may go ahead and put a link to in the bottom. Adams polishes, the Megafoam did real good. And like I said, I'm going to go to the Turtle Wax, try it, see how it does. Pan highly recommended it, and thank you, Pan. Thank you, Vlogs. Vlogs, watch all your videos, enjoy them a lot. He's one of my inspirations to do what I've done with this car as far as cleaning. And no, I'm not doing the best, but I'm trying. And thanks everybody for watching, but we'll get some in-car footage before long. I've been doing some random drives, so we'll get some pulls and stuff like that. I'm not doing any racing, anything like that, but I do play around. So we'll get some driving footage of it before long. I need to get some more mounts put on it and get some good exhaust footage too. Right now, completely off stock. Tires are getting a little worn in the rear. That's all part of the fun, so I appreciate it. And again, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me any kind of suggestions you got. I appreciate it, man. Thank you.